Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of THULE laptop shell case. The unboxing is done by Akarsh Seggemu. So this is the new package which I got. Inside it is I have the THULE Gauntlet sleeve, which is for MacBook Pro 13-inch MacBook Air or any 11.6. I don't know what it is. This is the one I ordered. So here's the THULE. You can see the THULE brand name, and the finish looks nice. From here, I guess this is secured, so I need to let me remove the packaging away. So I bought my scissors. So as you can see, it's connected with a tag to a zipper. I will try to remove it without damaging the contents. Wow, came up. I remove it, and now I unzip. Nice. So I like whenever they have the silicone gel packet. Okay, this is interlinked somehow to some other things. There is also another zip tag here. So I think this kind of ensures that the product is not used. Remove that. Oh, a lot of zip plastic tags. As you can see, this is made for MacBook Pro. This is the details. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. I wish you bye.